Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to check monitor specs in Windows 10 PC. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Display tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Advanced Display Settings. Under Choose Display section, click on the drop-down menu below and select your preferred monitor. Now, under Display Information section, you can find most of the details of the monitor. If you want even more details like hardware specifications, you need to note down the model number of the monitor from here and make a Google search. You can find a complete user guide online. This user guide contains all the hardware specifications of the monitor. This is how you can check monitor specs in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.